If your Spectrum cable box is powered on, but you're not seeing a picture, the problem often lies with the HDMI connection, resolution settings, or the TV's input source. First, power cycle both the cable box and your TV by unplugging them for 60 seconds. This can resolve temporary glitches. Then make sure your TV input is correctly set to the HDMI port your cable box is connected to, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Check that your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the box and the TV. A loose connection can cause signal loss. If possible, test with a different HDMI cable to rule out a faulty cable. Spectrum recommends using HDMI 2.0 or higher cables, especially for 4K TVs. If the basic troubleshooting steps didn't resolve the no picture issue, the problem might stem from resolution settings. Spectrum cable boxes typically auto-detect the best resolution, but mismatches between the box output and your TV's capabilities can occur. To address this, access your TV's display settings menu and confirm its native resolution, such as 1080p or 4K UHD. Ensure the cable box is set to match this resolution for proper display. If the resolution doesn't align, manually adjust the cable box's output settings through its on-screen menu, usually located under Settings or Preferences. If these adjustments don't work, visit the Spectrum Support website or mobile app, which now features AI-powered troubleshooting tools to guide you through additional fixes. You can also check the signal strength by pressing the Info button on your Spectrum remote, which displays diagnostic information to help identify weak connections. If all else fails, contact Spectrum Support directly for assistance. A technician visit may be required, particularly for hardware failures or signal degradation issues in your area.